Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix the domain error on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, orders, products. You're gonna find customers, content, analytics. And lastly here, you're gonna find marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're gonna find point of sale and also online store. And here you're gonna find apps. And lastly here in the bottom, you're gonna find settings. So right now, in order to go to the domain's settings, go ahead and click on settings right here. And then here you're going to find all these sections. You're going to find general, plan, filing, users and permissions, payments, and so on. So here in this list, you're going to find the domain's settings. Just click on domains. So basically, guys, if the domain error that you have is domain is unavailable, this means that you should change something in your domain because the domain you're trying to get is already used. So I'm going to click on change to a new My Shopify domain. And here, as you can see, guys, you can change your domain or add your new domain. So make sure that you are the only one who's using this domain. So just, for example, you can add letters to the domain to make it available. For example, if this domain is not available, add maybe some numbers or add some letters to it until you find the option or this message right here in the bottom. This domain is available. So if it's available, just click on add domain and then you're going to be able to change it. You can also buy new domains from here by clicking on buy new domains and then just type the domain that you want and check if it's available. As you can see guys right here. And lastly, if you want to connect an existing domain that you already have, just click on connect existing domain and then type your domain here and click on next. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.